Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock players of mystery signing in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. So this is the mystery signings banner, and in order to claim the player, one of the player, you have to log in every day to uncover the clue. As you can see, we already reveal first player skills from Iris, play for Celtics with 90 OVR center back position. So let's assign the second player. Guarantee reward. If you're lucky, you can get one of the possible reward. Just tap free button here, tap to open, and we got mystery signings back here. And the second show a sign. So let's reveal this 90 OVR striker. So the second player is Patrick Bamford from England, a striker, play for Leeds United in Championship EFL, second division of Premier League. So in order to claim one of the player, you can choose one. The player is tomorrow. As you can see, unlock in 16 hours from I made this video, so you can get this player for free. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.